Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the automatic door key light. Now this is designed to illuminate your lock and keys so you're not fumbling around in the dark. Let me show you how this works. Now this has a smart sensor that will begin detecting motion once it gets dark, so you're not going to be wasting power illuminating your locks during the daytime. Now speaking of power, this is a completely wireless system because it runs on one AA battery. And because this is wireless, installation is super easy, and you can place these anywhere. Now there are two ways you can mount this. You can either use the adhesive backing, or for a more secure solution, you have the option to screw it into place. Now another added benefit to installing this above your front door lock is that this can scare away any would-be package thieves. But there are so many different applications for this. You could use this in your kitchen cabinets, in the drawers, and my personal favorite, above the outlet, so you can easily see it in the dark. Now if you want my advice, I would recommend picking up a couple of these, because once you use it, you'll realize just how useful they are. Now we have an incredible deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on, so head on over there and grab yours today.